Printed myself a battery box, which we want to fit here somewhere. Get some of this other stuff out of the way so we can see what we're doing. I think I probably want to put the battery at the back as far as possible, just for weight distribution. This is blue tack that I just used to put everything temporarily in place. Right, so what I want to do is put this here. So I have to cut the bottom out. I printed it with a bit of a ridge around the edge and push that through and then glue it in place, I think. Super glue it. Actually wants to be I can cut more out. It's not so easy to put it back if I take too much out the first time. Being a bit generous there. Let's go back a bit. Right, so I'm going to use a hot knife to cut through there. Hot knife, so we cut through the plastic. Need to trim it up a little bit to fit the box. There we are, nice tight fit. So I shall glue that in place now. Actually, I'll just have a little look and make sure we haven't done anything silly and made it too deep. No, that still fits perfectly. Right, super glue, I guess. Well, that looks a bit tidier in there now. Even got a screw for the battery box cover. I wonder if I can find the screws that should hold the bodywork together. So I took this apart a long time ago, I mean months ago. And I think I did away with the screws, or at least I say did away with them. They probably got chucked in the general. Look at them, do they look a bit big possibly. Yeah, I think they're a bit big. I'll see if I can find the right ones. Well, it's working, but there is a problem with the steering because of the way that I used the original wheels from the car and stuck them on some existing RC toy steering. They're a bit loose, which means that in some positions they're fouling with the bodywork, which is why it's so easy to do those donuts, because one of the wheels can get stuck against the bodywork, that holds it still, and we can do donuts easily. So if I'm going to do any more to it, I'm going to have to modify that steering a bit. It just doesn't quite have the right clearance. That'll do for today.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.